Back to Crafterman Creations. Today I'm a little backed up on my projects over here, so we're just going to give you a quick run through of my table and maybe do a shop tour of what's going on. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First, what we have over here, we have my Wen planer on top, then we have a drill press and a jointer. In this first drawer right here, everything's a pull out. We got things like sander, drill, router, other things like that. And then below we have a welder, and I got different saws and wire and whatnot. So the next drawer, what I have in the next drawer is my air compressor and some tape. That air compressor is going out, back, out, through, and connects to this pull-out air hose. Pretty handy. In the center here, we have our radial arm saw with laser. So below the saw, we have double opening doors. And on the far left, we have our pressure pot, homemade pressure pot. We got the parts and whatnot from Harbor Freight. So in the center, we have another pull-out drawer. We got things on there like wrenches and tape measure, knives, everything that we use on a normal basis. Below that, we have sandpaper up to 15,000 grit, and in the right tub we have spray paint, glue, adhesive, anything like that. On the left we have epoxy material and squeegees and caulk and things for epoxy. On the right we have a screwdriver rack mounted to the wall, and we also have another pull-out drawer. On the pull-out drawer we have assorted scrap materials, and below on the bottoms we have additional scrap. On the left is MDF and on the right is pine. That does it for the center. So on the right side, on top of the table, we have a bench grinder, we have a light on that, and we have a power station where we charge our batteries. We have a circular and a belt sander, and we have a bandsaw at the end. So on the far right cabinet, on the left side of it, we have another pull-out drawer, and we have all of our ratchets and sockets there. Below that, we have additional nails and other tools that I don't often use in the box. On the door, we actually have our lathe tools on a magnet. And then on the right side, we have another pull-out drawer that has all my circular saw and drill bits and things like that in there. And below that is like painting stuff and brushes and stencils and whatnot. So everything I have on the top connects to a quick connecting dust collector system in the corner over here. It's pretty loud. I have wood up top for storage, and then over here under the circuit breaker panel for the garage, I have a lathe that I got from Harbor Freight. It's a pretty good deal. Moving over here, we have just storage and planning. Then we have extra tool storage. Down at the bottom, I like to keep all my stains and paints and things like that all in here, epoxy. Over here we have different little storages for assortment of screws and nails. I keep my clamps up here, boxes, welding stuff up there, and this is right here is my portable Delta saw. It wheels out pretty easy. Just click that little blue thing down there. It rolls around very easily. We have stuff for outdoors right in front of my scrap. So in the center, I like to keep all my finished projects and kind of projects that are going on.
So we got a couple orders going on. 2 tables are finished. I got some pallet wood back there that I found in the trash. This is a river table, and everything seems to be going pretty good here. Over here, we have our shop vac, comes right off dolly, and back there we have levels, and that's pretty much it. Since I started this monster 16-foot table before I made a YouTube channel, I actually only have these pictures that I was bringing to work to show my buddies. I hope they can help you guys if you planning on building something similar.
Well, thanks for watching. That's been the tour for today. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comment section. And if you want to see me build anything crazy, add it down there as well. I look forward to seeing you next week.